Here's the cheapest SLK AMG package in America. I bought this on Craigslist for $1,000. It's been seriously neglected. And my man Bryce,
really badly neglected.
yeah, he's trying to work something out here. The top didn't work. It's been sitting open for 2 years. It has the rear end dents, front end damage, and it's been riced out with these black wheels. Not original, not at all. So here's the other damage in the rear quarter panel. It looks like it's been in an MMA match. And let me show you the interior. Oh yeah, it was also missing a driver's glass window. It totally shattered. But here's the interior. This red has got to go. The seats can stay. I like the red seats, but all this other red dash mess has got to go. It's been affected by the water damage. That's black mold. I don't care if we're breathing that in. So this had 80,000 miles on it. I figured it was worth saving. This is the before. We'll see y'all in a couple months.